Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Tea with the Lady M. I have a shopping and unboxing vlog for you today from Aspinal of London. And let me just say, when I went to Aspinal of London, it was on Regent Street. It was absolutely beautiful. I was so giddy the entire time I was in there. I knew exactly what I wanted, my dream bag. You may or may not have guessed what it is. It's English lavender. I will give you that hint. Stay tuned for the unboxing after the short photos and one or two vlog clips. But I just wanted to say that the Aspinal of London staff was absolutely lovely. They were wonderful. I had the opportunity to just chat with them about their line and their handbags, how much I appreciate their brand. They offered me champagne or water. I chose water just because I was still really jet lagged. And they were just lovely to chat with. I felt like a VIP the entire time, and I cannot recommend Aspinal's store enough.
This is the Aspinal of London store on Regent Street, their flagship store. And for the holidays, they have the beautiful Lottie window display. Entering, they had a Christmas tree and stairs leading up to the second floor. The first room featured quite a few beautiful Lotties and their signature bag, the Mayfair. I particularly enjoyed seeing the fireplace and the decor. Going into the second and third rooms, they had their trunk bags, scarves, and other bags that are a little bit less well known, like the Stella and the Holly. The final room had some journals and other SLGs you could sort through, as well as their gentleman's line. So I wish I'd filmed more, but I was having too much fun looking around. There is the Thomas Lee Brooks. I was lucky to meet a fashion blogger as well. And this one was actually a gift from the sales associate that I met. They were absolutely amazing. I was given a beautiful champagne colored star charm, and it does say, it's hard to see, Aspinal of London with the hardware. It does say Aspinal of London, and a special Aspinal colored cookie that is decorated with the theme for the holidays, the star and the moon. I did want to note that these were also tied with beautiful ribbon that does say Aspinal of London. For some reason, the audio for this clip did not come out, but this was the second item I had boxed. It is a English lavender card holder in the croc emboss leather. I did have a gold monogram added with my initials. It had 4 slots, 2 on each side, and an internal compartment to store cash if you carry that. The Aspinal logo was in metal, and I really liked how it complemented the handbag I am about to unbox. Now, to travel, I did have to remove this from the box, but I've dreamed about this bag for so long. And let me turn her this way. Here she is. This is the midi Mayfair in English lavender colored, croc embossed. It has gold hardware. It says Aspinal of London. The handle is also gold. On the back, it has the Aspinal of London branding. There is one pocket. On the bottom, it does have 4 feet. And when you open it, you just press down. Oh, here's the other Aspinal. Inside there is a zipper compartment and 2 compartments. It does have a chain at the bottom. It is non-adjustable. So this is my baby. I'm very, very excited to have a matching card holder to go with it. This is the midi size, and just for comparison, it does hold the same amount as the Lottie that I have. So I did want to mention that I did use this bag. This is the Champagne Lottie in the size small exclusively throughout my trip. Some of the stickers for the hardware peeled off, others did not. I did remove the hardware sticker here, and there's a few scratches. But other than that, this bag has been amazing. On the back, there is no color transfer or anything. There is a look at how supple the leather is, and this, unlike my other Lottie, I think stretches a little bit more. It's quite a bit. This one does have a compartment back here I used for the card holder, and I did use the zipper compartment quite a bit throughout my trip. It still has the care card, of course, but I think this Lottie is one of the best bags I have in my collection. It goes with everything. It's very dressy. This I thought would be heavy, but it's not. The fact that it's adjustable is a game changer compared to my Lottie that doesn't. There is no scratches or anything on the hardware. And like I said, I use this bag exclusively for the last week and a couple days in London. I don't see any damage other than maybe, like I said, a few scratches on the hardware. So super happy with this purchase. Here's how it looks next to the Mayfair, just for comparison. Also, for quick reference, this is what the croc embossed, the difference of the small croc versus the larger croc. I wanted to mention that this leather on this one is a little bit stiffer than the one that is smaller embossed, but they are both pretty much the same. You can see with the pocket, it's a lot easier for me to get my hand in there than in here. This one also feels more smoother, I guess, compared to this one. This one feels more like a patent. You can definitely feel that than this one. They also both smell amazing. Look at the feet and the side. And I think the biggest difference is just the way the handle looks in the light, but they're otherwise identical. This almost looks bigger than this, but they are the same size.
Thank you for watching today's vlog. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys next time.